Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you this Ariel dress hack in DTI. Ready to slay like the sea princess herself? In this tutorial, we are diving into Ariel-inspired outfit hacks that will turn your look from casual to under the sea icon. So let me show you how you can create this dress. So first, let's do the hairstyle. Here, first I'm going to click on the wavy category hair category, and then put on this hair in here. That I'm going to use this red color for the hair. Then combine it with this curly hair. Click on curly, scroll down and put on this hair. Use the same color, and then here I'm going to put on this updo hair, this one. But only use the bangs like this, same color. And last one, here I'm going to put on this short hair with the same color. Okay, so once you're done with the hair, you can start with the dress. First, let me go to the dressing room in here. So here I'm going to put on this skirt, and then I'm going to use this color for the first one. You can copy my hex code if you want to. This color in here, and you can make the material silk for all of them. And for the second color, I'm going to go with this color here, and the rest of them make it the same like the first one. And then I'm going to combine it with the skirt, this one, and here turn off the layer and change the color the same like let's turn off the layer in here. Okay, now let's put on this dress, but in here I'm going to use only the skirt. It's the same color. Okay, and now I'm going to put on this long dress in here and use the same green color. Don't forget to make the material silk. Okay, now let's put on the other items. Here I'm going to go to the women's sections, and first I'm going to put on this puffy on the arms. So make the color the same, green. And then I'm going to put on this corset in here. Then use the same color like the others. And don't forget to also make it silk, and the lace I'm going to make it white, and the accents green again. And as for the shoe, I'm going to put on these heels in here and change the color with green and toggle it into no ribbon. And next I'm going to also put on this sleeves in here. Use the same color, including for the cuffs and trim. And last one, let's add some accessories. So in here I'm going to put on this necklace, toggle it into number 2, and change the gems color into purple like this. And now the Ariel's look is done. This will be the result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.